Okay, so I did 6, 12, 18, and 24. This is B, if 5.3, lesson 5.3, which is function rules, tables, and graphs. This is the second part of it. So I put it all together, and this is how much you weigh on weight on Earth. So I'm using 6, 12, 18, 6, 12, 18, and 24, and 0 pounds. And then how much I weigh on Mars. Weigh on Mars. I think it's Mars. On the moon, sorry, moon. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I weigh 6 pounds here, I'm going to weigh 1 pound on the moon. If I weigh 12 pounds on Earth, it's 2 pounds on the moon. 18 pounds, it's 3 pounds on the moon. And 24 pounds, I weigh 4 pounds on the moon. So that's how I would do B. Now I'm going to go to example 4. This is called the absolute value. I'm going to do 5 numbers. I hate to say this, but I didn't have enough graphs, so I'm going to put, with absolute value, you're going to have 5 numbers. You're going to have -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Those are the 5 numbers I want you to use. So you're going to have absolute value of -2 plus 1, absolute value of -1 plus 1, absolute value of 0 plus 1, absolute value of 1 plus 1, and absolute value of 2 plus 1. And you're going to have, so you're going to have -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So we're going to find out the answer. Absolute value of -2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Absolute value of -1 is 1, plus 1 is 2. Absolute value of 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Absolute value of 1 is 1, plus 1 is 2. And absolute value of 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So then I'm going to graph it. I'm going to have -2, 3, -1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 3. And I'm going to graph it. Now, an absolute value looks like a V. Your answer will look like a V. Now, same idea with B. You should have 5 numbers. Same 5 numbers. You're going to use -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Remember, you're going to have, I want you to use parentheses when you have a squared. And so -2 squared is 4, plus 1 is, so this one's going to be -2, 5. -1, oops, didn't mean to do that. -1 squared is 1, plus 1 is 2. 0 squared is 0 plus 1, so it's 0, 1. 1 squared is 1 plus 1 is 2. And 2 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. Now you're going to graph it. So it's -2, 5, -2, 5, -1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 5. Now it's a little different. It's not a V. It's not going to go straight. Notice it's not going to go straight. This one is called, when you have a squared, x squared, this time you're going to have what's called the U, or a parabola. If you have an absolute value of a variable, it is going to be a V. And if you have a x squared, it will be a U, or a parabola. And this is just the shape. And that will be a U shape. I'll just do U like that. U shape. And that's how you would do these two. Goodbye. Watch both lessons.